Her Majesty Queen Sirikit, the Queen Mother, a beacon of grace and dedication, led the foundation for Thailand's sustainable development. With her visionary leadership, she focused not just on the environment but also on the well-being of the people, ensuring that Thailand's future was built on the strength of its people and the preservation of its heritage. One of her most cherished visions was the idea of forest loves water. The king is the water, I will be the forest that offers loyalty to the water. This royal message captured Her Majesty's deep understanding of the delicate balance between nature and life, and her dedication to conservation. Her efforts sparked the Forest Loves Water movement, a nationwide campaign to restore forests and protect water sources. She believed that the environment was not just a resource, but the very lifeblood of the nation. In 1976, Her Majesty founded the Support Foundation to help promote local craftsmanship and provide sustainable livelihood to people, especially women in rural areas. Every Thai has the blood of craftsmen in them, she said. Her support for Thai craftsmanship and traditional arts brought recognition to the country's rich cultural heritage and crafted a lasting impact on communities throughout Thailand. Her Majesty understood that empowering the people, especially the marginalized, was key to long-term prosperity. Through her work with Social Welfare Council and Ratchaprashanukha Foundation, she helped people affected by natural disasters and those who live in poverty. Her Majesty's visits to remote communities were often met with overwhelming gratitude as she personally provided aid and ensured that everyone received the care and respect they deserved. Her Majesty's love for the environment extended to creating awareness on biodiversity and sustainable development. Her work in preserving forests, wetlands, and natural habitats is a testament to her unwavering commitment to nature. She once said, "Nature is the foundation of all life." Her Majesty was also a champion for public health, advocating for improved health services and well-being for the people, whether through royal medical units or initiatives to improve maternal and child health. Her Majesty dedicated her life to the health and safety of every Thai citizen. Above all, Her Majesty's life was driven by her belief in unity and national strength. "I ask every Thai to love one another like siblings and join hands to build stable nation." Her legacy is not just about service, but it's about selflessness, about working for the common good without expecting anything in return. Her Majesty's legacy continues to guide us, lighting the path to a sustainable future for Thailand. It's up to us, the future generations, to carry forward her vision and ensure that her work remains a living legacy for Thailand.